Welcome to your outdoor living transformation. In today's video, we're sharing 10 stunning outdoor kitchen designs that will take your backyard from basic to breathtaking. Whether you love to entertain, enjoy family dinners under the sky, or simply want to elevate your lifestyle, an outdoor kitchen can become the heart of your exterior space. Get ready to explore the most inspiring layouts, styles, and features that blend functionality with resort-style luxury. Let us begin. 1. The modern minimalist. Sleek, clean lines. Matte finishes. Hidden storage. The modern minimalist outdoor kitchen is all about sophistication without clutter. Built with weatherproof cabinetry in neutral tones like charcoal or taupe, paired with stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops, this style fits perfectly into contemporary homes. Add integrated lighting and a linear gas grill to keep the space clean and stylish, even at night. 2. Rustic charm. If you're dreaming of cozy weekend cookouts, a rustic-style kitchen is ideal. This design features natural stone, wood beams, and handcrafted finishes that feel warm and inviting. Think terracotta tiles, brick ovens, reclaimed wood counters, and open shelving. It's perfect for mountain homes or backyard gardens where charm and comfort matter most. 3. Coastal-inspired kitchen. Bring the beach to your backyard with a coastal-themed kitchen. Think whitewashed cabinets, aqua accents, driftwood-inspired countertops, and lots of light. Stainless steel appliances stay cool under the sun, and a covered pergola with sheer curtains creates a breezy, laid-back vibe. Pair it with sea blue tiles or shell-toned mosaic backsplashes to complete the seaside feel. 4. Mediterranean outdoor escape. Inspired by Italian villas and Spanish courtyards, the Mediterranean outdoor kitchen combines rich textures with warm colors. Terracotta floors, stucco walls, wrought iron accents, and mosaic backsplashes make this space feel timeless. Add a wood-fired pizza oven, built-in grill, and plenty of wine storage to complete your private culinary retreat. 5. Urban rooftop kitchen. Even in the heart of the city, you can create a luxurious outdoor experience. Rooftop kitchens are trending in 2025, especially in modern apartments and penthouses. Use compact modular kitchen units, slim profile grills, and foldable prep stations. Add raised herb planters, string lights, and high bar seating with panoramic views. It's chic, space-saving, and social. 6. Covered patio kitchen. Protect your outdoor investment and your comfort with a covered kitchen under a pergola or roof extension. These designs feature full cabinetry, side burners, refrigerators, and even dishwashers, all in weather-resistant finishes. The overhead cover ensures year-round usability, while fans and hanging lights keep the space cool and ambient. 7. The built-in barbecue island. A built-in barbecue island is the foundation of many outdoor kitchens. These setups focus on a large grill, surrounded by stone or concrete counters and cabinet bases. Add bar stools for serving guests, and include a sink and cooler for a complete setup. Simple yet functional, it's perfect for small to mid-sized spaces. 8. Farmhouse-inspired outdoor kitchen. For lovers of country style, a farmhouse kitchen outdoors is the perfect blend of charm and function. Think shiplap walls, farm sinks, vintage lantern lights, and butcher block countertops. Use warm wood tones, galvanized metal shelves, and retro faucets to complete the look. It's cozy, practical, and ideal for family dinners under the stars. 9. Luxury resort-style kitchen. If you want to go all out, design your outdoor kitchen like a luxury resort. This includes an oversized grill, outdoor wine fridge, ice maker, TV, sound system, and a full dining area under a pergola. Use polished stone, dark wood cabinetry, and ambient lighting to recreate that 5-star feel at home. Add a fire pit or water feature nearby for maximum impact. 10. Compact outdoor kitchenette. Don't have much space? No problem. A compact kitchenette design uses one wall or corner, combining a grill, counter, and small fridge into a tidy setup. You can even add folding counters or wheels for flexibility. Perfect for patios, balconies, or side yards. Small space, big impact. Final tips to maximize your outdoor kitchen. No matter your style, remember these outdoor kitchen essentials. Choose weather-resistant materials like stainless steel, stone, and treated wood. Incorporate smart storage. Keep tools, utensils, and dishes organized. Add lighting and ventilation, especially if the space is covered. And most importantly, design with flow and function. Place sinks near prep areas, and make sure there's plenty of room to move and gather. And there you have it, 10 amazing outdoor kitchen designs to turn your outdoor space into a true haven. Whether you're going for cozy, modern, or extravagant, the key is creating a space where cooking, entertaining, and relaxing come together beautifully. If you found inspiration in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more outdoor living and home design ideas. Thanks for watching, and here's to unforgettable moments in your dream outdoor kitchen.